What's going on, guys? Good morning, happy Thursday. 2 streams in a row this week. I know what's going on. I don't know. Anyways, it is time to get to work, and we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways today. I said it yesterday, we'd be doing over 5 giveaways today, and I think you guys are going to like one of the ways that we can do the giveaways, at least one giveaway. The way we're going to do it is very simple. Let me see here. Let me grab the chat. What's up, guys? Good morning, everybody. MCZ, Traders Net Fat, Aeromech, Yasin is in the house. So is S Futures Trading Mike, the Beast. What's going on, Andrew and Chris? Yo, Kevin, what's up, Tevin? Bobby. So one of the ways that we're gonna do the giveaway is very simple. So you see how next to the Beast, next to Trader's Nest, there's a little crown and it has a number 1 or the number 2 or the number 3, stuff like that. So that is given to you by YouTube itself. Sorry guys, camera's a little dirty. That is given to you by YouTube itself, and the way that works is by you chatting. The more you chat, the higher you get ranked. You see futures bets is number 2. So what we're going to do today is, by the end of the stream, whoever is number 1 is going to win a free valuation account at Trade Day. Okay, whoever is number 1 will win Trade Day. Now, if it so happens that the Beast, which is the moderator, is number 1, the prize will default to whoever is number 2. Because I don't want to hear the bullshit later. Oh, Jesse, but he's your moderator. Freaking nerd. So we're going to do it that way. And the Beast, I already took care of the Beast today. So we're good to go on all fronts. And the Beast is the freaking man anyway. So you guys got to give it up to the Beast as well, because he keeps the chat clean. Clean, clean, clean. So we're going to be doing that. So we're going to be doing that. Whoever is number 1 today, or number 2 in that case, will get a Trade Day end of day 50K evaluation. All right, so let's get to chatting, guys. Now, right out the gates, what time is it? 9:26. Let's see what this market is looking like real quick. Hop on over here to the hourly chart. Got a little bit of resistance up here. Zoom in a little bit on this hourly chart. A little bit of resistance up here at 23,639, so that 23,640 zone could be an area of possible resistance. 23,640 to 23,650. All right, so at 23,640, 23,650 zone, watching that level for possible resistance. Also watching 23,550 for possible support. Minor support in front of it around that 80 to 75 zone for pullbacks, for bounces. Take a quick look here on the daily chart. The SPY is insane. I wouldn't be surprised to see it cool down a little bit today. The SPY already tapped 638.55 zone, which is a resistance area, and we've pulled back from that so far. So I'm thinking a little bit of a pullback day into support. That's what I'm thinking right now. Yo, Tony, glad to hear that. Traders, then this is going to be something that we will have the winner by the end of the stream. And this is just for one of the many giveaways we will be doing today. Yes, I do, newbies. My funded futures, coupon code all caps JESSEW. Yep, my pleasure, Mike. No firm is going to let you hedge the same trading vehicle. So you can't be short NQ and long NQ. You'd have to be at different vehicles. You could probably be short NQ and long gold, for example. The same with take profit trader, Ali. And there's the open. Never heard of that, Bianca. Alright, so remember that 80 zone to 75 zone is a minor support area. Could watch for longs off of that, but I kind of close to the open for me, so I'll probably be hands off. Oh, my TC 2000 chart's frozen. Gotta reset that. It is really rainy today here in the Florida Keys. So it's looking like today's going to be a stay-home type day, guys. Yesterday we did some stuff. Day before as well. And we're supposed to take the boat out today in the afternoon. Do a little evening, nighttime fishing. I'm not sure now what's going to happen. This weather's looking kind of iffy. But we're still down here in the Keys. We'll be down here for a little while longer. And by that I mean an easy 4 to 6 more weeks. Alright, so let me grab something here real quick, because we do have a lot of accounts to give away today. So we might as well get that party started right now. Okay, so alright guys, first giveaway is coming right now, and I want to know if you guys are ready for it. If you are, put the number 1 in chat for me real quick. Put the number 1 in chat. Let me know you're ready for this giveaway. Alright. Alright. Smash that like button for me and let's get ready. I'm going to give you a code here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the link in chat. And that's the link you're going to want to click and then go put this code in. Whoever puts the code in first gets a free account any size they want. And that is CC5, Z as in zebra, SSSA. That is C as in Charlie, C as in Charlie, 5, Z as in Zulu, S as in Sam, S as in Sam, S as in Sam, and A as in Alpha. Go there on Apex and click. Get whatever account you want. Hurry up before it's gone. First the best dress, that's right. Oh, look at that, guys. We said 23,580, 23,575 zone. Watch for support. We bounced off of that straight to 23,620 right off the open here. Wish it would have happened a little bit further into the open. Maybe like around 9:45. I would have been a part of that. But right now, just watching. Bobby got a free account. Congrats. Hey, what's up? Oh, Tony just missed it. Tevin just missed it. Anybody else get it? Sometimes multiple of you get it. Right now we got Bobby reporting he got it. We're on our way to that resistance zone off the hourly chart. Ideally, I'd like to see it just break over 40, make that attempt to 50, draw in the bulls, and then reverse course from there. Trader's Net got one. There you go. Urani Trades got one. Let's go. 300k Apex. Good stuff, guys. First giveaway done. Let's see, who's leading in the top fans? Why is it not showing me? All right, that's a little much there. That's it. They're all gone, guys. Gotta be fast. Yo, yep, 2 days in a row. Already got a video for Monday lined up. Gotta shoot it later today. Whoops, almost clicked the wrong button. Damn, man, I was really hoping this thing would push a little bit further. We got into the 30s only. So we got the beast in number 3, Bobby in number 2. Who is number 1? He is hiding. Doesn't want anybody to know. If it is choppy, then it is a very simple thing. We don't trade. As Futures Trading putting number 1 in chat, I think you're watching this a little bit behind. You might want to make sure to click the live button so that the video moves up for you and you're live. Guys, your boy now is the one that's getting sick. So, I need one of these magical candies. That tastes horrible, but definitely soothes the throat. My kid was sick for a few days. She had fever for 3. I hated every second of that. And then now she's almost all better completely. Fever's gone, so that's the good thing. But now I'm the one that's has the sore throat. It's zinc, Anton. That's a zinc one. Another one that's really good is this one, Fisherman's Friend. It's just menthol. Yeah, Garani Trades agreed. I did, Bobby, but it was supposed to work where you magically take it away from them, and then you have it. Not that they get better and then you get it. That's not what was supposed to happen, my friend. Yeah, Bobby, but it doesn't work for me. There's one, but it doesn't work for me. Tony says Vic's on everything. So we're just in the middle of this little range. Not doing much. Yasin is asking me, which prop firm did you take the most payouts on? That is very simple. I'll tell you the two most payouts is Apex and Take Profit Trader. Apex by far number 1, the most payouts I've taken. And then comes Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader right now has some crazy deal. where you get 40% off on your eval, $0 activation fee when you pass it, and if you don't blow it up on your first attempt to passing it, that eval, when you get your first payout, they'll refund you the eval. It's pretty damn good. Tony, the futures desk is awesome. I got you there as well. They're good. They're good to go. They actually have 60% off right now, Tony. JB, I saw your post and I'm researching and I'm starting to see more people that were affected by exactly what you said, JB. So rest assured that we will be going over that very soon. Seven, both are great. My funded futures, I actually have an expert account that is ready for payout. I just haven't taken the payout yet. I'm going to probably do the payout and show you guys how it works in my next video. I'll probably put a segment in there where I take that my funded futures payout. And damn it, I just missed the scalp here. We got into that resistance zone we talked about. I missed the scalp. So yeah, my funded futures good to go. Tradeify good to go as well. Tradeify right now, if I'm not mistaken, has 35% off. Oh, Yasin, they have 83% off right now at Bulanox with code all caps Jesse W. There you go. Yes, it does, Tony. All caps JESSEW. Oh, we found number one. Anton is number one right now, leading. Remember, guys, whoever is number one by the end of the stream in chat, you got that little crown and the number one next to you. You get that by chatting, by doing super chats, all that good stuff that the chat box has there. And whoever is number one will get a free 50K eval at trade day, end of day account. Damn it, I missed my entry again. Yeah, with Bulanox, 50K is the way to go. Anything higher than that, not so much. Now, who knows, Yasin? Never know when they're 91% off again. Probably when Apex does 90. Everybody has activation fees, or almost everybody. My funded futures does not. Currently, Trade Day and Take Profit Trader do not have activation fee. Coupon code all caps Jesse W and 40% off as well. Shit, man. Hey guys, do me a quick favor. I was chatting too much with you and I completely missed that entry. I hope somebody caught it because we talked about 650. We hit 648 and we pulled back almost 50 points. So do me a favor and smash that like button for me because damn. Hard to log in when we're chatting, my man. That's why I don't stream much. But since this week I didn't have any videos out, I said, you know what? We'll do 2 streams. Look at that thing drop, bro. Nice. I'm glad Kevin got it. 20 points. Good job. Joyce, not sure if we'll do any more Apex ones. We're going to definitely do some take profit. And whoever's number one in the chat will win an end of day eval at trade day. Oh man. Well, guess I'm gonna have to wait for some sort of secondary setup later. Well, I'm glad some of you guys got that trade. Well, when this happens, I get to exercise something here for you. That's no FOMO. Gotta exercise no FOMO. Gonna be a minute now. 9:44 a.m. before we got any resets probably. Anybody run TC 2000 as they're charting for equities? That's what I do. I love that software, that platform. But it's really having a hard time working today. Oh my god, this thing just keeps dropping, bro. What is ICT? Is that I can't trade? What is that? We don't ICT here. We can trade. We trade patterns and setups with good risk reward. Yeah, my TC 2000 completely frozen again. Unreal. Alright, we're back again in that possible support zone. Could be used for a quick scalp, but yeah, my TC 2000 doesn't want to work today. All right. There she goes, bro. Well, hope you guys got that one. Right to the final target. That would have been a banger. Hey, Bobby. Keeping it tight, man. We could see a little bit of a bounce here. Possible. That's a hourly chart zone. As long as it can stay above 70. If it gets under 70. If it gets under 70, you got room to 50. How did I get that 645 level? I called 640 to 650. It looked like resistance on the hourly chart.
Just say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city.
Well, there she goes right back to 600. Cut rates eventually. Do I trade oil? No.
Tried to help, but they can come and save us all. And all the power lines is down, so when ain't been no one to call. Made me pray for rain. If they rebuild it, it won't be the same. No, this ain't what the we meant when we asked for change. My people looking for some answers, but they won't explain. I guess we're charging to the game. Just say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Believe in God to kneel down with me. Say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Believe in God to kneel down with me. Say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Say a prayer for my city. Look, I saw them ashes in the air. I saw them dreams burn to the ground. Looking like a bomb hit us. This up the town. Homes turn to memories. Smoky clouds and we got red skies. Pain is in the silence, but the truth is in our red eyes. Picture frames was getting melted, but the love don't fade. We found our strength up in the rubble.
That's quite the bounce off of that 70 zone.
But we holding on. I put that on my life. Just say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Believe in God to kneel down with me. Say a prayer for my city.
That's a really nice bounce off that level. If this thing gets through the highs, it's going to get wild.
Just say a prayer for my city. Say a prayer for my city. Say a prayer for my city.
I mean, today, I don't know. As long as we stay under that 630 zone, I think you probably got a shot at another drop. But if we get through 630, this thing is probably going to rip everybody's face off. The code I gave away earlier today is good for any size Apex, but that's already gone. The rest of the accounts today will be 50K, more than likely, and maybe 150K, not sure. But definitely 50Ks. But the rest of today's giveaways will probably be done via like the email thing where you have to email me. Because Take Profit Trader, it has to be done that way. There she goes, right to 30. Right back to 30. Lots of buying coming in still. That bid's being walked up. Big level now. Ha, thanks, Lays. Appreciate it. Oh no, the coffee gotta be coming. I'm gonna grab try to short this, at least a scalp here. Even if it's not much. Stop over 20. Yeah, it's going to stop me out at 20. I had a quick shot there. Yep, there it is. I had a quick shot there to make $100, but wasn't fast enough. Everything's pointing to like this thing wants to rip. The play might be the long side here against 10. Against 600, really. But it's so choppy that you could see this thing get itself right back to 80 before it rips. Or it just zones out and just starts going in a nice little channel the whole day.
Just say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Believe in God to kneel down with me. Say a prayer for my city. Just say a prayer for my city. Say a prayer for my city. My granny house is gone, my sister house is gone. We done lost it all them childhood memories turn to ashes as they fall. Firefighters tried to help, but they can't come and save us all. And all the power lines is down, so when ain't been no one to call. Made me pray for rain. If they rebuild it, it won't be the same. No, this ain't what the fuck.
So it's looking good against that 30 still. That 30 still holding resistance. If it holds resistance, we could see a drop back to 600. If it breaks out, then we see a push. There it is. There's the push. That thing was nuts. Right through 30. It looks like it wants to just rip everybody's face off, man. That's really good volume on that push. If it gets through the highs, this thing can go nuts. Start to hold 30, this thing could just go all the way, you know? We're right back at that 50. That's a big level on the hourly chart. If it gets through that thing, it's game on. That's a lot of volume on that push into that 50 zone. There she goes, right into the 50s again. Devin's like, let's go NQ. I mean, through this level, if it can really break it, you got a lot of room. But it's going to need another big, fat volume bar coming through. It is pouring rain over here, guys. She's struggling there. Alright, I gotta stop at break even there at 50 on the runner. If it stops me out, I'm basically back at break even on the day. I hate this thing. I hate this zinc lozenge thing. Alright, stop me out. Made back my loss. Plus 45 bucks. Woo! At least we're green on the day. And that's over here on my take profit trader. I haven't traded my Apex accounts yet, which are the ones that you're seeing. Here, I'll show you. No trades on my Apex accounts. Not yet anyways. Definitely want to trade those. Guys, remember, whoever is number one in chat will win an end of day, trade day, 50K eval. Oh, nice, Tevin. Get that expert account, my man. No, Joyce. Have you been looking at my screen, Joyce? Are you watching my monitor somehow? I'm not trading them, but I am watching them. I am not, Kevin. I am flat. I am flat now. My runner got stopped out at break-even level, so all I did was make back my loss from earlier. We got room to... Man, they got room to 700 now. At least on the hourly chart. Bulls got room to 700. So Joyous, I'm looking at them. I am signed up as an affiliate. You can use my code if you want to try them out. All caps Jesse W. But I have yet to really, you know, give it my stamp of approval. But I must admit, they look pretty damn good right now. Wow, look at that drop from 71, guys. Did we get any numbers now at 10 a.m.? We probably did. No. Well, no, but you got FOMC member Bostic speaking. Started speaking now at 10 a.m. Yep, the beast. That's it. Am I shorting? I am doing nothing. My hands are not even on the mouse. You guys ever see that movie? I mean, it was a cool movie when I was young, right? What was it called? Bring It On. You had the guy that comes out. He's like spirit fingers. Come on, man. Somebody saw that. We all saw all the same movies back then. Yo, stopping out with a 10-point win is good. Nice future bets. I'm sure most of us did. Let's see how many will admit it, though. No, I mean, Jerome Powell still fed chair. Bring It On was lit. P-Doggy knows. Those were the best movies back then. Rules? There are no rules. Oh, 630, guys. We were talking about 630 resistance earlier. We pulled into it, holding support right now. There are no rules. There's nothing going on right now. We've given away only one eval so far today. Another way that we're doing a giveaway, it's an active giveaway throughout the entire stream, is, do you see how Bobby has the number 3 next to him? How the Beast has number 1 next to him, etc.? That is given to the members in chat who are active, who are chatting. I think I also read that through super chats. Just basically being active in chat will crown you first place, second place, and third place. In today's stream, whoever has first place by the end of the stream will win a trade day 50k evaluation end of day account. So that's another giveaway. The rest of the giveaways will be done randomly throughout the stream. So you gotta be here, because you just never know when a giveaway will happen. The rules for Apex evaluation accounts? Oh, dude, you need to watch like all my videos on that. There's no way in the world I would have to stop everything here to go through those rules, because Apex has a lot of rules. But I have a lot of videos on Apex rules. Let's see if I can find you at least one video. Yeah, my G, you're gonna have to go through all my videos and find them. They're there. Thank you. Thank you very much. The Beast is number 1 right now. Anton number 2. It says he hacked the system. Kevin. All right, guys. So that 630 level, holding up really good as support. That's a good area for a bounce play, possibly. Damn it, a little late. A little late for me to get in on that now. See, Cooper says if you can make money with Apex, you can make money with any prop or cash. That's true. I've made really good amount of money with Apex this year. Last month alone, I put 10,000 bucks in my pocket out of just 5 accounts.
Check how we moving with division in mind. I'm low side with my niggas on division with slime.
I'm gonna give it a shot there in that 630 zone. Oh, got stopped out instantly. 200 bucks gone, just like that. I thought we were gonna get that nice little bounce there. It's just really choppy. Making some money on some accounts, losing some on others. What a crazy day. Look at this chop. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. From 610 all the way back to 630 in just seconds. What the freaking hell's going on out there, man? Oh my god. It looks like this level wants to possibly hold support. Gonna give it one more shot here. I do like the zone. I gotta watch that Apex unrealized loss zone though. Kind of forgot about that. So I might have to hold this stop a little bit tighter than I supposed to hold it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop out of it here soon. If we get too close to 10, I might have to, because I'll end up breaking the rule. I could just stop out and re-enter. Yeah, I had to cut it there because the unrealized rule is gonna hit me. Kind of forgot about that.
toe it. I'm that diva receiver, already know this shit, throw it. I touch down for the touchdown, make little baby bust down. Rude as I wanna with that, I don't give a fuck.
Insane chop. All the way down to 600. That's like bottom support zone. Like if that doesn't hold, I don't even know. Look at that thing, bro. Are you crazy? Cuban coffee break time, guys. Oh, let me get some water first. Copy trading 5 accounts, Anton, so it's just 1 mini. Oh, it's delicious. Right back to the previous support zone. We're trying to bounce off of that. This thing's nuts. Not much going on right now. Couple L's on the Apex side of things. A win on the take profit side of things. These are all been funded accounts. I haven't traded any evals today. I'm willing to take one more trade on Apex side and stick to my rules of 3 strikes you're out. I'm 0 for 2 there. But I'm going to need some cleaner setup because this is just a mess right now. It looked like it was a nice clean pullback and then it just got out of hand. Yeah, it's 1 day to pass with Apex. Jerry says coffee has water, you just need a bigger cup. Good idea, Bobby. Let's see if my TC2000 finally wants to connect. It's been acting a fool all morning. Nah. Oh, maybe. You connecting TC2000? Nah. Nah, TC2000 is refusing to connect. At 610 area trying to hold resistance. It's like 610, 620 zone. If we break under 680, she should dump. That's what I'm thinking. Gonna wait and see if we can get a better entry. Yeah, 580. My bad. Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie. The coffee's really good, but that stupid zinc thing I took earlier ruined my taste buds. Palm trees. Anton says, do I only trade NQ? When I'm trading futures, primarily. Haven't traded ES in a long time. But I also trade equities. I'm going to swing trade in AMD now. I mean, it is a leap. I bought a call yesterday, a leap. Could she be done? We're going to find out together. Whether I'm going to strike out on my Apex accounts today, or whether we're going to come back on them. If we break under that 90 zone, I have to think that the bear flag resolves itself to the downside. In which case, I'll add to this position.
Duffel bag filled to the teeth. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's on me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry. Keep the family roots like we came from one tree. One branch, one leaf. Had them
Chopalooza.
double parked in the
Golly, bro.
Thank the ones before us to let us peep this was for us. Turn porous into pour up. Nas Bellinis and 3 letters what they call us.
I'll close my eyes. I'm like, Jesus, take the wheel. You guys let me know if I win.
All that music brought us and it taught us. Spread it to your sons and daughters, cause my
I'm not gonna win.
duffel bag filled to the teeth. When I look at what I see, I could truly say that's on me. Pack my things up, make some pit stops. Catch me in the hilltops on the side of the country. Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers.
Hey, see, my call option is up 20%. Let's go.
One branch, one leaf. And we'll never compete.
Unfreaking real. Should have taken that $200 and ran with it.
Got a fine black woman and she called me hubby. I feel sorry for the woman who had tried to dub me.
Son of a bitch. Well, that's it. 3 strikes, you're out. No more Apex trades for me today.
Me and my brother and we stay hungry. Now we travel in the countries which is very humbling. Cause coming from where we from, we done seen the ugly. Used to rock rugby. Yeah, late night trooping, we would go to Stumpies and
Should have just ran with the $200, huh? Damn, bro, that's some chop. That is some chop. I haven't seen it like that choppy in a while.
Came back from being down 1-3. We the 16 Cavaliers, whole team hungry.
Hey Jerry, good job, man. I still think we dropped from here, but not sure when. Oh, now we drop, huh? Well, I'm still trading in my take profit accounts. Will you get under 90 this time? Maybe, bastard. Looks like it might. Look at that, 90 tap, bounced right back up over 600. I guess if it doesn't sell off now, I have to imagine that we're just going to grind it up all day. Because that 90 tap and bounce is kind of wild. But if we get under 90, that's when she can go. Nope. 90 holding still. Yeah, that bid being walked up. Tremendous tug of war. I remember yesterday we had a lot of tug of wars. Look at that, bro. That's crazy. I have a stop at break even on the take profit account. I was up 300 and something bucks, but I was waiting for that 90 to break so I could add to the position, get into full size. Is she finally done? Might be. $90 getting tested again. That 90 looks light. But it just could be my bias. Let's go. Break under 90. Look at that, bro. That's crazy talk. It's refusing to roll over. $15 or 30-second chart? No. You know, when I first started trading futures a long time ago, I used the tick chart a lot, but the shortest time frame I personally look at is the 3-minute.
Conscious. Matic.
No, Jerry, I haven't put the book map on this laptop, man. I gotta put book map on it so that I could stream it again. I only have it on the big computer. I don't use any charts? No. Andrew, you know how I trade. You've been here a long time. That can't be a question for me. She's looking like she wants to roll it over. Once they leave, don't you let them back in. Just pack up all their stuff and send them packing. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. Here she comes. First take profit coming off the table there. Bang. Still in some runners. Come on, runners, run. Run for me. We gotta run. Where the freaking hell's my bid? There it is. Just let it go and make the best of it. Yeah. Self-love is the best love. It's the people always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed. I'm gonna take one more off there at 74. Stop at break even on the remainder, which is my ad at 85.25. There we go. Let's get paid, guys. Let's get paid. Come on, dump. Dump. Get under 60.
tried to find a way to bring me down. Big y'all up for years, ain't talking just the brand or the sound. I don't throw things around, I do it from the heart proud.
Bet under 60. Let's get paid. Let's get a payout. Looking like I'm gonna have a take profit payout today, and a my funded futures payout today. Can I get a little bit more? A little bit more. We said 50s. Remember, we had said 50s. We're at 60. Can we get a little bit more out of this sucker? It usually goes a little bit more than you want it to, than you expect it to. Trail this stop real quick. Come on. Take that window. All right, there we go. We're getting into the 40s now. I'm not going to get greedy out there for 1,800 bucks. Let's freaking go. Bam. Let's go. I can take a $1,700 payout out of Take Profit Trader today, plus $1,000 out of my funded futures. And I'm going to be straight honest with you guys. I'm going to be straight honest with you guys because I must be. I have a rule. 3 strikes are out. Sometimes I allow myself to break that rule. Sometimes. Because I learned a long time ago that there is such a thing as you don't let go of a good trade idea as long as everything is there. I got chopped up. The trade idea never invalidated. I just got chopped up between the 30% unrealized rule at Apex that I had to stop out early and stuff like that. I chopped myself up, but the trade idea was still sound. So I traded one more time in my Apex accounts. My stop was actually really nice and clean, and I was able to make back all my losses on it. I am literally up $1.40 on the day in those 5 accounts. $1.40. So we're hefty green today because of the Take Profit Trader, 1,800 bucks. Sometimes they are futures bets. I allow myself flexibility on that one only when I'm able to, what do you call it? Only when I'm able to see it, to justify it. It wasn't that the pattern invalidated. It was never that. It was just that I had poor entries, and then I had to stick to prop firm rules as well. If I would have been in my personal account, or when I had said, oh, the 30% unrealized rule, I never would have stopped out of that position. Never. Because I don't have that in my personal cash account. You know, I never would have stopped out of that position. So I would have been nicely green in that, in my personal account, actually. That was the short we've been waiting for. Yeah, especially when you trade for multiple firms. I trade. Hey, good profit, Trader's Nest. Yeah, Anthon. Anthony. I don't know why I've struggled with your name sometimes. What was the entry, Kevin? Oh, where's freaking hell's my mouse? We had talked about 630 being a potential support zone because previously it was resistance, right? That 630 zone, which is 620 to 630, because you can't, NQ is not something that you can be like, oh, my stop is 23,575.25 because that's where resistance is, or support, or whatever. You have to give it a range. You have to give it a buffer. So I like to give it at least a 10-point buffer, you know, sometimes more. In this case, 630 was that buffer zone. And we talked about it earlier today, before the market even opened, the New York session anyways. So we bounced back up into that resistance zone in here after this potential double bottom. Support. We bounced back up into it. Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys something real quick. You see how we sold? Remember we talked about this level of resistance and we sold off from it? We sold off from it, and every time we dropped, what happened? The volume increased. And we began to bounce into resistance. What happened? Volume decreased. Showing you what? Somebody say the answer. What does this bounce on low volume show you? First person to give me the correct answer is going to win a $50,000 Take Profit Trader evaluation. The bounce back on low volume, what is that showing you? The first person will win an account, and that'll be one of our giveaways today. Boom. T. Cooper wins an account. Weakness. It's showing you weak buying. It's a weak bounce. It doesn't always mean that. There's no pattern. There's no setup. There's nothing that's 100%. I've gotten short on weak bounces and had to stop out. And the market rally. But you play the odds, right? That's what we do when we actively trade. We play the odds. You have that weak bounce back into that resistance zone after a strong volume sell-off. That's a signal for me to attempt a short. So that was the setup. I think it was Kevin had asked. Wait a second. I might, yeah, okay, weakness. Yeah. So T. Cooper won. Okay, T. Cooper, send me an email with your Take Profit Trader email. I'll get you squared away. What time is it? It's only 10:30. I feel like we've been trading for like 3 hours. Probably because we got such crappy weather today. All right, so we're good. We're back to green on the Apex accounts. We're up $1,800 on the Take Profit Trader account, which, mind you, that Take Profit Trader account today had started off red as well. Let me see, how red was it? I had lost $580 on my first trade with my Take Profit Trader account. The second trade I took, I made it back, but I was only up like $45 or something like that. And we're finalizing the morning on that account with $1,800 in profit, 62.5% accuracy. My longest trade time was 5 minutes. My longest winning trade was 5 minutes, 52 seconds, so 6 minutes. My longest losing trade on it was 44 seconds. There's a lesson there. Longest losing trade, 44 seconds. Longest winning trade, 5 minutes, 52 seconds. There's a lesson there. My largest loss was $470. My largest win was $775. My average loss was $290. My average win was $484. There's a lesson there. That's another nice little setup there. That's actually a really nice setup right here into that 580 area of resistance for a possible downside move here on a short. That's a really good setup. But you know what, man? I'm done. On the day, I'm done. I brought back the Apex accounts, and I'm nicely in the profit on my Take Profit Trader accounts. So I'm done. Under 580, it's got room to the downside. T. Cooper, I just got your email, so I'll get you squared away with your Take Profit Trader 50K eval later today after the stream. All right, guys, remember, the other way you can win is by chatting in the chat. Whoever is number one with the little freaking purple crown by the end is going to win a trade day. A trade day 50K end of day eval. Try to say that 5 times fast.
Not me, I move like I'm a hybrid. I could do it all if I apply it. If I bulked up, studied film, stayed with it, shit, I could have won a Heisman. All right, maybe that's
correct, futures bets. You need to trade all 5 days. Just get in there, flip a micro, bro. It'll take you 5 seconds and you're done. Bobby says scalping King Jesse W. Some days we're king, some days we're just a court chester. Tevin giving some shout outs to Kevin B for calling that GC trade. Tevin, yep, thank you, man. Yep, that's exactly what's going to happen, bro. I'm hands off now. Tomorrow's Friday. I don't even know if I'm going to trade tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Wait, what? There was a second giveaway? Second? We've done 3 giveaways. No, we've done 2 giveaways. Yeah, man. I asked a question. I said the first person that answered correctly in chat wins. Somebody won. So we got 2 giveaways down. We still have the active giveaway, which is whoever takes first place, which so far is Anton. So you guys, if you want to beat Anton, you better start chatting. In the grave, I'm making a mark and etching my name. I get it, you feeling the way, but when you try throwing your shade, we throwing grenades. Growing with pain to help me turn into the man I became. I'm better with age, forever the era, I cherish the phase, but some things are better left back in the days. Sam says he answered first. What did you answer first? Let's see. Let's see. We'll take a screenshot. That's not the correct answer. That there's a reversal coming? That's not the correct answer. I said, what does weak volume on a bounce like that show? That shows weak buying, weakness, not necessarily a reversal. So that's not the correct answer. Yeah, you answered first, but not correctly. You said weakness after? I'm gonna scroll right back up. Let's see. No. You got Anthony saying short sever, which is, I'm guessing he said short cover. Then you have you, Sam, that there's a reversal coming. Then you have T. Cooper, weakness. Then you have Aeromech, New York low. Then you have Kevin B, decreasing buying, which is correct, but too late. Then you have Anton saying divergence. And you got Sam, again, you, showing weakness, but the right answer had already been said. I will take a screenshot and post it in the Discord. Guys, look at that setup that we talked about on the 80s. It's showing different. It's possible that does happen, but I have to go by my screen, obviously. And I posted the screenshot in the Discord, so you can check it out there if you want. I don't know why that happens. It could be just timing lag, but it does happen. If you're not in the Discord, you can click here and join. It's completely free. Damn, bro, that was a good setup there. That's actually a better setup than the first setup, the one under 80. But like I said, I don't want to take it anymore because, you know, today the odds just haven't been in my favor. The only reason I'm green is just because of my risk reward. That's it. Look, we'll go here, we'll go show fills. Look at this mess. All this red right here covered by this one green trade. Why? Because of my risk reward. That's it. If it wasn't for the risk reward, I'd be red on the day. You like the music? Yeah, me too. It's kind of chill. What do I fish for, Anton? Everything. I freaking love fishing, man. I'll be frank, I get a little lazy sometimes loading and unloading the boat. But, man, I freaking love fishing. See, it was good for that scalp. Now you're testing that 80 again. I'd be a little bit weary. But as long as you're under 80, the short setup there is still intact. But you got to be... It's freaking choppy. You just got to be very careful. my main type of fishing I like to do is bottom fishing. Snapper, grouper, right? Yellowtail, mangroves, mud and snapper, then grouper, you know, cobia, whatever I can get down there. Sometimes when we're yellowtail fishing, we'll get some cobias coming through. Then next I like to fish for dolphin, or you know how most people know them nowadays, mahi-mahi, or dorado. Then wahoo. I like to fish for wahoo. Last year I caught a big, nice wahoo. It was about 30 pounds. I posted the picture all over social media. If we go today, and that's a big if, because the weather really looks crappy, it'll be a snapper trip. Tevin, when you used to fish, why did you give up? Snapper is awesome. Love it. Seems to use price action from narrative plus the pattern recognition. Yeah, it's all together. All right, the beast. Have a good one, brother. A mangrove snapper will fight like crazy. You lost interest, Tevin? No! Come back, man. What do you mean? How? I've been fishing since I was a little jit. What are you in? I'm in? It says, Prem Kumar says, I'm in. What are you in? What are you doing? You're in that short against 80? If you are, congrats. That's right, Bobby. It was fun for a season. What's a jit? Little kid. What was that, Miami slang? Can't just possibly be South Florida Miami slang from when I was young. Alright, so how many freaking giveaways have we done? We got 2 down. And we got the 1 cooking with the chat. Chat, remember, whoever's in first place by the end of the stream is going to win that account. Guys, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. Bro, Anton, those blackfin tunas fight nuts. I was fishing off the Dry Tortugas a few years ago. I caught a big one. I don't know how big it was. Maybe 15 pounds. For a blackfin tuna, that's big as crap. And bro, I think that thing put up a fight. They're strong. Tevin says sitting for hours not catching anything. Yeah, bro, that sounds like a skill issue. Nah, you can go out there and fish and not catch a damn thing. It's happened. I usually come back with at least 1 fish. But you know what? I don't care. Like, I go out there, and if I catch fish, it's great, you know, it's awesome. And if we catch our limit, that's a crazy good bonus. But if we go out and don't catch a damn thing, and we still had a good time with good weather and nothing broke, it's a win of a day. I love it. I just love being out there. I love operating the boat. Yeah, market's undecided here, but it looks like it really wants to break over 80. And this is why I always scalp some and leave a runner. And if I would have been short there at 75 and we dumped all the way down there towards 55, I would have definitely covered a little piece. And then if we triggered and broke under 50, I would have added to the position. I would have added back. I always kind of try to trade around a core a little bit. And one of the biggest fish I've ever caught was a bull dolphin or mahi, and that sucker was easily over 30 pounds. It's one of my best fish, like trophy wise. Kevin B says, how large is your stop usually? That depends. It could be 5 points. Could be 50 points. It just depends where the stop is supposed to be according to the pattern I'm trading. Right now you got yourself, I would say, a 50-50 long or short here. And I don't like 50-50s, so I'm definitely staying out of it. T. Cooper, you got a 70-pound dolphin up there? Is that what you're saying to me? A 70-pound dolphin? I mean, I know they exist. I've seen pictures. But you got it up there? That's a dinosaur. Yeah, I haven't gone for lobster in a while, but yeah, I also spearfish. Haven't spearfished in a year, maybe a year and a half. Don't think I'll be spearfishing this year though. We have a really bad shark problem here in South Florida right now. People will say, oh, sharks are on decline and this and that. But in South Florida, we have a pretty bad shark problem. Not as far as like beach and getting attacks and whatnot, even though it does happen sometimes. But we have a really bad shark problem. You'll be out there fishing and sharks will tear up. They'll tax you. They'll tax you. Like out of every 10 fish you catch, you'll probably lose 4 to 6 to sharks. T. Cooper, that's freaking insane, bro. You better send me a picture of that. Look at that, guys. You see how you broke over 80 and into 90 and then rejected? That's exactly why I say you can't have your stop to like the penny. Tushar, I'm doing okay. Catching a little bit of a cold, but doing good. Green on the day. Multiple payouts to request tonight or tomorrow. Good, man. Good stuff. How are you doing? Yeah, it's crazy. T. Cooper, were you commercial fishing? I'd imagine with those numbers you were. Tevin, how far out do I take my boat? I mean, I haven't gone dolphin fishing with the new boat yet. Usually when I do, I'll go out about 30 miles at most. Give or take. A little bit less, a little bit more. But this boat, I have plans next year to hit the dry tortugas. So we're talking about, I'll be going out, sheesh, man, probably like 100 miles, honestly. Because I'll have to leave here where I'm at, head down to Key West, top off my gas tanks, and then head to the dry tortugas, which is still 74 miles west of Key West. Guys, no, Kevin, I don't want to go to the Bahamas. I don't give a damn to go there, to be honest. I've been there on cruises and whatnot, but I don't really care to go on my boat. I'd rather go to the dry tortugas. Guarani trades is 30 miles a lot or considered close. It's like intermediate, I would say. Like, for example, if I'm going to go snapper fishing, I'm probably like only 6 or 7 miles out. But at 30 miles out here, like straight out into the horizon, right? Let's say we're probably in the 1,500 to 2,000 feet depth. Anyone using PayPal for what? Everybody uses PayPal. Yellowtail at night and during the day. Primarily during the day, but I want to start trying them for at night. Now that the mangrove snapper spawn has kind of slowed down, that was today's plan. But the weather looks like crap. And yesterday we had some crazy storms roll in at night. Crazy. Like freaking light show. I don't want any part of that out there at night. I mean, I've been in them at night and during the day, and I don't want to be in a storm. So I try to avoid them. Yeah, I caught some really big yellowtail last year and the year before. SMK, I'm sorry, brother. I have no idea what you're talking about. Yeah, one of my best yellowtail spots is in about 95 feet of water. See, guys, this is why you always take a piece of profit off. This is why you always see me scale out. Yeah, I've been in some storms on the boat. I have a lot of safety equipment on the boat as well. EPIRBs and such. Time for another giveaway. Time for another giveaway. Alright, if you guys are ready for this giveaway, it's going to be trivia type giveaway. But I want to make sure you guys are paying attention. So write in chat, all caps, Jesse W, like this. And let me know you're ready. So type Jesse W in chat. Let me know you're ready. And we're going to jump into this next giveaway for another 50K eval at Take Profit Trading.
I'm not into religion, I need something higher and bigger to fix this. Brothers, sisters betray me that I never wrong.
All right, really quickly. Earlier, I said that I had caught a trophy fish. What was the fish and how much did it weigh?
And as soon as I recouped on my expenses, I gave away every other shirt. Good heart, I guess that's why I never finished first. But it's time I put the
I used the word trophy for it.
We ain't going out like that. We ain't going
Oh, I'm seeing some. Oh, I wish, Anthony. Girani Trades got it. He was the very first one to say it. And T. Cooper, thank you for holding back because I know you knew. After I thought of it, I was like, yeah, I'm going to have to give this to like 2 people because T. Cooper's going to know instantly. Dolphin, 30 pounds. Girani Trades, congrats.
like my pops being stuck in his ways.
Send me that email now, buddy. And in the subject line, you know, come back. Let me know what the subject line was. I'll confirm it's your email. I'll get you taken care of. So that is, what is that? That's the third one, right? Yeah, that's the third one. And then we still have the number 1 slot in the chat cooking. So whoever's number 1 by the end of the stream is going to win that trade day end of day account. Something he's not built for this. Give me 1 second here, guys. Time for some meds. Sent it over. Jesse, subject line. All right, let's check. Okay, got you. Girani Trades. Got you, buddy. So we'll get you taken care of as well later today. Congrats. 50K TPT eval for you. There you go, guys. New low. Anybody that held on to that trade idea, man, congrats to you. Good job. I hope you're green. I mean, I really like the idea. I thought it was better than my other trade, to be honest. Somehow it turned out not being as clean, which I'm kind of surprised. But that's the nature of the beast. Damn, Bobby, that sounds great. I mean, It'd be, I don't feel super bad, but I'm trying to get ahead of it before it gets super bad, and then, you know. Look at that, guys. Look at it go. Damn, nice job, guys. Congrats to anybody that caught that one. I mean, we called it before it even triggered. Hey, let it freaking be known that I called multiples before they triggered. I gave, where's my mouse? I gave this level before it triggered, then this level, okay? Then this one that gave me some trouble, but it worked out and we got it, I got it. And then this level, which has now started to work out really nicely. Albeit, this one was not as clean as this one and as these two. But damn. I missed this one because we were chatting. And I missed this one because we were chatting. And then I got chopped in here, but I made it work at the end of it all, thank God. And then this one I said, you know what, that's it. I'm hands off of everything. Alright, so we are 3 giveaways in. We got the one in chat cooking. Whoever is the number 1 with the little purple crown by the end of the stream is going to win an end of day account at trade day of 50k eval. So that's number 4. I said we'd do over 5 giveaways today. So that means we got 2 more to go. At least 2 more to go. Because that would put us at 6 giveaways today. There's a place in Key West called Date and Time. They have some great flu shots. Check them out, Justin. Huh. Interesting. Where's my phone? I'm going to take a picture of that. Yo, Tevin, totally my pleasure, man. I love this stuff. No idea, future bets. That's true. See, Cooper says it sounds like a restaurant. It really does. There she goes, guys. Ride her down. Trail that stop. Trade day, guys. 40% off. $0 on your activation. So you can get yourself an... They have an end of day, a static, and an intraday trail if you want. The intraday trail is like 50-something bucks with my code. But the real sweet spot is that end of day account with trade day because your evaluation is going to be end of day. And your sim funded is going to be end of day. And if you ever get pushed to live, that will be end of day as well. So you can get that end of day for just like 99 bucks on the 50k, which is a damn good deal. And $0 activation fee. You got the code and the link right there in chat. Here's some of the best deals going on right now. Then you got Take Profit Trader with the same 40% off, 0 activation fee. But if you don't blow up the eval and you get a payout on that first payout, they'll refund you your $102 for your 50k eval. Bang. Link in chat as well. Bulanox with 83% off. I mean, anytime they're like super cheap, I always say that's a good grab. but only when they're super cheap. So like 83, 91% off. Oh, and Jerry had asked earlier about Bookmap. I don't have it set up on my travel station yet, but I will. But if you're interested, there you go. 20% off your Bookmap. You know, that's funny that you mentioned that. I don't think so. But you guys can see how it all works right here if you want. That's the YouTube support. You can see how that system works, how you get, you know, like first, second, and third place in chat. Yeah, in my opinion, right now, Take Profit Trader and Trade Day are no-brainers. No-brainers. And then if you want like a cheap eval, Beulah Knox or Apex. But Apex, you know, for the most part, if it's 80% off, I would say intermediate advanced trader. If you're a newer trader and practicing still quite a ways away from getting a payout, I'd go with Beulah Knox in that case. All right. So, I think what we're going to do here is... I'm thinking, because we got 2 more accounts to give away. Yo, congrats, Trader's Nest. Break even is better than red, Bobby. Yeah, we got 2 more accounts to give away. Really 3, but one of them is whoever has first place in the chat by the end of the stream. So we got 2 more accounts to give away. And I'm thinking I want to do something that I've never done before. Some people are going to like it. Some people are going to hate it. I already know that anything I do is never going to please everybody. That's quite all right. Because we can't please everybody. But I want to do something that I've never done before. Could be the first and last time we do it. Or maybe we do it every so often. But I got to come up with the idea here. This is on the fly. Like, I know how I want to give it away, but I got to come up with the rule. Or maybe we do it random. Would you guys want to do something where it's like the right answer, like trivia? Or would you like to do it at random? Type in chat. Let me know. Do you want it random or like trivia? Oh, you know what? We're gonna do a poll. Let me see if I can figure that out. What the freaking hell you do a poll on this sucker? Oh, here we go. Start a poll. Random trivia. All right, there you go. Go ahead and vote.
Circle play the car, we puffin' purple. First time I got tipsy off the white like I was Virgil. Yeah, I grew up with my cousins on Herzl. Used to have a curfew writing verses in my journal. Now it's ISO universal. My strapped like a girdle. Y'all moving slow like a turtle. Hey, I songs and commercials. We don't need no rehearsals. Wifey instinct maternal. I know I can't gon' be verbal. They know our love is eternal. We'll keep on hopping these hurdles. Thank you, God, I'ma serve you. We don't.
right. Keep those votes coming. No, I don't remember you winning anything, bud.
Hey, new beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, move G. Anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword, swinging blades.
All right, we're gonna end the poll and random wins. Okay, so we're gonna do it random, guys. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do one giveaway. We're gonna give away 2 accounts to the winner. The winner will be chosen using the random comment picker. And then at the end of the stream, we will get our last winner of the day.
Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody days a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. So take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city.
Let me get it ready.
I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got some trust issues, people lie through their teeth. The more I grew, the more they hide in the crease. Squad building, weak members get released. If we trying to compete, starting pitchers need relief. Bro, we building a team, everybody got a niche. I've been known to play mine to a T, but it's time for me to lead. Picking dirt right out the cleats. Steep path, roadblocks in the streets, trying to knock me off my feet, cause the devil never sleeps. So I'll sleep too and trying to.
All right, go to that page, which is an old stream. That's an old stream. Leave a comment, and in about a little bit over 5 minutes, we'll go ahead and do the giveaway there. Yo, my pleasure, Tevin. What if someone spam comments? Does that take into account? Yes, it does. No duplicates.
Isn't it lovely?
Yo, Prem Kumar, thanks, bud. Guys, so now if I was in that trade, I'd just be trailing my stop down, you know, on the runner. I'd probably have like a stop around 49-50 zone. If we break over that level, I'd probably cut it. But I would just trail the stop on that runner with an idea of a final target. Kind of, actually, we already hit the final target, which is that 23,510 zone. 23,510 to 23,500. That would be my final target on that short. That was a banger. I mean, I did really, really well on the other short, but this short would have been freaking awesome. Up 1,800 bucks on the day, so we'll take that on that one take profit trader account. It'll let me put in for a nice payout tonight. I can put in for a $1,700 payout. I'll probably just put in for a $1,500 payout. 1,400 bucks, just to leave a little extra cushion in the account. Yo, Bass Tourist. Is it Bass Tourist or Base? Base Tourist? Welcome to the channel anyways. Trader 007, my pleasure, buddy. Yep, almost lunchtime. I haven't had breakfast either, futures bets. Bobby on the way to work. Oh, wow, guys, look. Look at the bounce off of that final target zone. It's almost like drawing lines on your chart actually works. People overcomplicate this trading stuff, bro. All right, so let's go see what we got going on.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform. New beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup, something dirty in my cup.
Oh, pause. Good Lord. I need to get another laptop for my travel station. This thing is struggling. Like these raps, I don't really got a type off top bullshit. All I needed was a mic. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags and take flight. All right, guys, get your last comments in there. We're about to run that with the comment picker. Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody days a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. So take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city, trying to find me some peace. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got some trust issues, people lie through their teeth. The more I grew, the more they hide in the crease. Yo, Steve O's, man, God bless you too. If we trying to compete, starting pitchers need relief, bro. We building a team. Everybody got a niche. Yo, guys, so I'm running. This is an older laptop now. When I bought it, it was pretty damn new. It's got a Ryzen processor, 4000 series, and I got a GTX 1080 in it. Imagine. But I'm gonna need to beef up this laptop. Because, you know, now we do a little bit more streaming and stuff like that, and all my videos are 4K except from when I'm here, because this machine can't run 4K, you know. So what, like, I don't game, but I usually buy gaming laptops because they're usually the beefier ones. Back home I have a tower that's just overbuilt, but this, for like my travel, I need something somewhat compatible. So if you got any recommendations, drop them in chat for me while I get this giveaway raffle thingy. Well, not raffle. YouTube, please no. That's like a bad word in social media. This giveaway squared away. Free giveaway. So, can you see my screen? Yes, you can. We'll go ahead and refresh. Come on. Oh my God, bro. See, this is exactly why I need another laptop, because we're streaming. We're doing so much on this little laptop right now. She's struggling. It's an Acer. All right, so we got all our comments here. We're going to go ahead and copy. Come over to random comment picker. Yeah, like over here where I was trading on my Take Profit Trader account on this side, it's a Mac. It's brand new. I just got it a few months ago. This thing is really nice. Filter duplicate users. Somebody had asked earlier. See, filter duplicate users. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get those YouTube comments. Yeah, but for like all my trading stuff, I prefer to use Windows, to be honest. Even though I have MacBook Pro right here. Okay, so let's start. And this winner is going to win 2 50K TPT evals. You better be here. Omen Oracle 8, are you here? Because if you are, you just won yourself 2 TPT 50K evals. And then we got one more giveaway to do right at the end of the stream. Uh-oh. Oh, there he is. Congrats, buddy.
Yeah.
Guys, final target reached 23,500. Congrats to anybody that rolled that one. I don't want to say you owe me a steak dinner, but at a minimum, you owe me some major support on the channel. That means likes, comments, shares, and all that good stuff. When has Jesse ever given away 2 accounts in 1 click? Never. This is the first time I ever do that. But never leave mentally. Is where people spiritually connected turn to enemies and memories turn to villain origin accessories. And I'm the bad guy yet again. Spent so much time trying to find who the victim is. It's probably both of us, but Bobby says steak dinner, Uber Eats. Love it. All right, so damn, I should have taken a long there actually. Yo, look at Anthony coming through. Thanks, brother. With the super chat. That was mighty kind of you. Somebody swinging for the fences. Top Frag Market says, when you take a payout with TPT, does the account go from intraday drawdown to static? And if so, what is the remaining buffer amount to be static? Okay, so on a 50K account, your buffer is $2,000. You can take anything above $2,000 as a payout. $2,000 must remain in the account as your buffer. You can dip into it, but then you go from an 80-20 split, right? You'll have 80-20 split on anything above the buffer. Anything into the buffer is going to be 50-50, so there's no point. You're better off leaving that $2,000 in the 50K account and you know, continuing to trade somewhat more comfortably. And any girl after you won't ever have the pleasure. So I guess it's part of why it's hard for me to ease the pressure. So many years, so many times I can't remember. Fear I'll lose them all forever. Hey, yeah. All right. Let me make sure. Oracle, did you email me yet? You gotta get this popping, my man. Oh, just got a little alert here. My leaps on AMD are up 20%. I guess it had come down a little bit earlier. Imagine NQ dipping like this, and my leaps are still up nicely. Yo, Aeromac coming through with the super chat. Thanks for the support, brother. Appreciate you. You just sent it? Let me go check. Okay, what is... Omen, what was your subject line? Kevin says you're gonna have to start streaming daily. All right, so here's the plan, guys. Okay, right now we're here in the Keys. This is not my background. This is my house. This is not my background. When I'm here in the summertime, it is chill time, meaning I work here and there and try to stay as consistent as possible. But you know, when I'm here, bro, it's all about family and enjoying time, right? I'm only gonna be here for another 4, maybe 6 weeks max. Once I'm back at my other place and I'm inside my actual trade desk office area, we will be streaming more often. With that said, we will be streaming Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. But I'm thinking about adding some more streams throughout the week. I have not put that schedule in stone yet. But some of those other streams, I'm thinking about doing them in the afternoon. How do you feel about that? Okay, Omen, I got your email, brother. I'll get you taken care of today. That was the truth, cause nothing lasts forever, that's except for me and you. Young and unaware of all the shit that we would do. Try to make it out alive, but didn't make it through. Wait a second, did Aeromech just take first place? What? That is wild. Aeromech taking first place right now in the chat standings. Yeah, Aeromech in first, you got Bobby in third. Woo. You know, Anton, he's in number 2 now. I'm thinking that I want to do that stream in the afternoon. Maybe we can mess around with some evals and test out some afternoon strategies and maybe try to pass an eval in the afternoon. I'm not much of an afternoon trader. Okay, I have traded in the afternoon multiple times. Like, you know, a lot of times over the freaking course of a lot of years at this point. But I'm more of a morning trader. I like that volatility. But I am interested in maybe trading like an end of day trade day evaluation in the afternoon. Maybe we could do that. Tushar, the last giveaway, it goes to whoever is in first place when we're about to end the stream. Kevin says his win rate is terrible in the afternoon. Well, maybe we can fix that. Gene, that giveaway has already concluded and the winner was chosen. It was Omen who won. G, you move up and down the ranks by chatting. The more you chat, the more you move up and down the ranks. I actually posted a link in chat here how it works directly from YouTube. How do chat ranks work? You can read about it here. Yeah, Tushar, they are. But you know what? I have to balance out because, like today, for example, I missed out on some opportunities because I'm streaming and talking to you guys, interacting, and I missed out on some trades. And trading profits is still a big part of my income, so I have to kind of balance that out some. You know, the day I'm making insane affiliate money, like truly insane affiliate money, then maybe we can stream every single morning. You know, where I can. Oh, say where I can be like, oh, I can afford to miss out on that trade. Not a big deal. You know what I mean? And still get some other trades in. So that's the thing for me and why I'm playing around with the trade, the whatchamacallit, the streaming times. Ah, Tevin. Here, you know what? Let's do a quick poll real quick. How the freaking hell did we do that? I kind of forgot already. Oh, here we go. All right, there you go, guys. Vote there real quick. When we conclude that poll, we were going to see who the chat winner is on the day. Award them their evaluation at trade day, and then we'll call it a day. T. Cooper, when you get your 44 Freeman? Bro, I don't even want that, bro. What the freaking hell am I going to do with that humongous thing? Go catch yellowtail in it? Alright, so my current catamaran is a 30-foot cat. Length overall is 34. 34. And when you add the motors, we're at 37 in length overall. And that is more than enough to get me to the dry tortugas and to fish right out front in my regular waters. If I had like a 44-foot freaking beast of a Freeman, then I'd have to. That's the only reason. Be doing trips to like Mexico, to the rest of the Caribbean, stuff like that. And I don't really care to do that. Yo, Tevin, that's how you win, though. Yo, future bets. Thank you, bud. Highlight time. Do you have a daily profit target or just go with the flow? I go with what the market gives me. Guys, vote on there real quick for me. We're going to call it a day here. Number one winner for the day is Aeromac. Congratulations, buddy. You won a trade day 50K end of day evaluation. And in order to claim it, just send me an email right now. Sometimes you break, but through destruction comes a renovation. We all just trying to build a foundation. We all just trying to build a foundation. So email me there, bud, and I will get you squared away. I'll send you a code for trade day later today, and you can get your free account. Bobby says Anton's hacking didn't work. Oh man. All right, so what do we got here on the poll? All right, so the poll says yes to the afternoon streams. All right, we'll give them a shot this fall, guys. We'll see how they do. Anton says huge fail. Hacking didn't work. Oh man. All right, Aeromac. Did you send me that email? What's the subject line, Aeromac? Day trader's the subject line? Got it. You know what? Since I already got the code right here, I'm going to send it to you right now, bud. When I get this done. Okay, remember, you gotta go with the end of day eval, okay? Don't get the static, don't get the intraday, get the end of day, because that's where it's gonna work. Alright, so I just sent you the email, buddy. Congrats on your win. Everybody else that won at Take Profit Trader, I have to get with Take Profit Trader in a little while. They will go ahead and add the account to your credit. Like, they'll add the credit to your credit bank. And you'll be good to go to get your 50K evals. Guys, congrats to everybody that won. And congrats to everybody that made money off these levels, because today they were damn good levels. And nice fat green day. We're going to put in for multiple payouts today. My funded futures, take profit trader. Probably going to get close to $3,000 in payouts. So that's fun. Can't complain about that, especially with take profit trader making 1,800 bucks in the day. I mean, you know, that's freaking great. Tomorrow, if I make another 500 bucks or another 1,000 bucks, I take another payout out of Take Profit Trader. It's a no-brainer with those daily payouts. All right, so let me grab this real quick here. If you're interested in Take Profit Trader right now, here's the best deal they got going on. And trade day with a similar type of setup. Here you go. Oh, nice. Tevin, he was down 565 bucks, came back with 700 bucks. Let's go. Yo, Tevin, you got it, bud. If you're running trades, you'll get an email. No worries. It'll be from me. Yeah, Bobby, straight to my bank account. All right, gang. Yo, guys, thank you very much for tuning in today. Remember to smash the like button for me. Monday, brand new video will drop around 11 a.m. So be on the lookout. Hit the notification bell. Also, make sure you use push notifications, because you might hit the notification bell, but it could be muted and you won't get alerted. I get people all the time telling me, Jesse, I hit the bell, but I don't get your notifications from your YouTube channel. Well, you got to make sure you probably have push notifications set on and that the bell's not muted. All right. Any questions, reach out. Thank you guys very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. Keep it green, because we're nicely green today, and enjoy the weekend. Peace.